A train 110 meters long travels at 60 kilometers per hour. In what time will it pass a man walking at 6 kilometers per hour? Now, a man is an object with negligible width. Now, it is moving. Therefore, we'll have to consider the relative speed as well. Now, for such questions, the answer changes depending on the direction in which the train and man are passing. So we'll have two formulas depending on the questions. Now, the first question is in the opposite direction. So we'll have to use this formula. So time is equal to length of train upon relative speed. So time is equal to length of train is given to us as 110, and relative speed, because it is in opposite direction, it becomes speed of train plus speed of man. Now speed of train is 60, speed of man is 6, but both these are in kilometers per hour, but the length of train is in 110 meters. So we'll have to convert this into meters per second. So you will have to multiply it by 5 by 18. So 18 will go up. So you'll have your 110 into 18 divided by 66 into 5. So 11 into 6, 11 into 10, 6 threes are 18, 5 twos are 10. So the time will be 2 threes are 6 seconds. The second case is when we are traveling in the same direction. So exactly similar scenario, only difference is relative speed because they are traveling in same direction. So it will be speed of train minus speed of man. So 110 upon 16 minus 6 into 5 by 18. So solving this, we get 110 into 18 divided by 54 into 5. So 18 threes are 54, 5 into 22 is 110. So therefore time comes out to be 22 by 3 seconds.